I got my first order from Cellars, so we're gonna see what they've got us. It's beautiful packaging right off the bat. Little cards. So they actually have little cards for each of the wines they sent and what the notes are, where it's from. There's even QR codes so we can rate the wines. Even tells you the alcohol percentage and the temperature you should serve it at. Those are cool, very beautiful too, so it'd be nice to have a collection of these. Wine Wisdom Box 1. Okay, so these are just really high-level tips. Serving temperatures actually tells you how long you should chill it, which that's really cool. I wouldn't have known that. Know how to use a corkscrew, but and how you should properly store the wine. Looks like they'll give you more in-depth knowledge as you get more boxes. Now, I tend to like fruity wines. I have been exploring reds more. I am a fan of Syrahs, and I also did a add-on for a mystery bottle, which is an upgraded bottle too. That was an extra $20. It's my mystery bottle. Pastate. Not sure how to pronounce it. I'm American, so I don't know how to pronounce anything. So it's a Sonoma County wine. It's a Zinfandel. That goes with the first card they sent. Something else in here. Oh, they sent me a free corkscrew, which I have nicer corkscrews, but this is pretty cool. It's got a little knife there so you can cut the seal. I love the color. It's my favorite color, so I'm partial to that. It's very heavy duty, not one of the cheap ones. Even says their name on it, so that's cute. I got a mixed batch, so I didn't choose all whites or all reds. So here's Wellfleet. I've never had this type of wine. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Looks like it has mussels or oysters on the front. Probably pairs well with seafood, as most whites do. Card. Matches the label. Next one, Silverscape, another red. This one, oh, it's a Syrah. I tend to lean towards petite Syrahs. This one looks very fruity and light though. So interested in how that's gonna taste. Card. Black cherry. Very interested. Serves well with lamb and smoked cheeses, so definitely a denser one. Again, very nice packaging that they use to support this. Another layer. I got the 5 bottles plus the bonus. This one's a blend. It looks like this is Japanese gardens, but it seems like these are mostly American wines. Looks like some really good flavor notes in there, in my taste. Rising Table. Another one I've never pronounced. I'm fairly new to wine, so that's one of the reasons why I got this box, is I wanted to learn about new flavors. Oh, it actually slides out. That's nice, so I can keep them stored in here until I'm ready to use them. Okay, this one's actually from South America. And last but not least is the other white, California Pinot Grigio, that I'm familiar with. Tetrachroma, love the name. That'll be nice and sweet. I hope it's not too sweet. I like to say I've graduated away from sweet wines. I was very heavy pink Moscatos when I first started drinking wine. But my tastes have matured, so we'll see how these go. Thanks.